Very good morning, children. So now it has become 12 o'clock. So it is the afternoon time. Okay. The classes we are conducting at now. So probably we have to say good morning. I think you all are safe. I'm talking and explaining from personal tutors. The Indore's famous and the familiar tuitions of and tutors of Indore. Personal tutor is the first indoor home tuitions. You know about very well. More detail you can see in our website. Okay, children. So, today's topic is mathematics. You can take as a class first to second and third, fourth children also having some maths means they will afraid. Oh, the maths is a very difficult subject, tough subject. They will think it is not a very big issue. In an easy way, how to learn maths by counting numbers should be very recognized for you. Numbers should be understand which number is what, how to use, how to make those spellings. The previous class in our video, very easy way 1 to 100 in a quick spellings. How can we do our mathematics? Easy way. The personal tutor speciality is how to learn easy way, because we are using very easy tips. If books is containing something, understanding is main, concept is main, and students and parents should be satisfied. That is the plus point of our personal tutor. You can see in our videos. You will understand what is the speciality of our personal tutor. Okay, right, children? So now we are going to learn something about mathematics. Main is mathematics, the numbers I explained you in previous class. We are used mathematics, numbers, name and numbers recognitions. So in that we are learning today number sign first, then another topic I will explain you. Today is the numbers, the mathematical sign, numbers, name and spellings I already explained. I will repeat once more also. The 1 to 20 spelling, in that 1 to 10 spelling we have to learn compulsory. If you learn 1 to 10 spelling, there is no problem of 20 to 30. How that 11 to 20 also. 11 to 20, the 11 spelling I explained in the previous class. ELEVN 11, TWE, because while reading, while learning, we should be use three alphabets. Then the spelling will be learned very quickly. Not to by heart. You should be understand what you are reading, what you are recognizing, what you are understanding, what you are able to know. This should be there. Okay. So the 12, 13. From the 13, the TEEN started. THIR TEEN, FOUR TEEN, FIF TEEN. Okay. So these are all the things. Up to 20 we learn 19 NINE TEEN and 19, 20. So I'll repeat once more. ELEVN 11, TWE LVE 12, THIR TEEN 13, FOUR TEEN 4, 4 and teen we are joined here. 5, because some children are making mistakes there. 5 teen, because ma'am said that according to the ONE1 the teen should be joined. The teen should be joined means the words of the spellings and the alphabet should be see properly. In the 11 we are not using, no 1. 1 1 11. While writing also, while reading also, 1 1 11. The numbers will not be affect the mistakes. 1 to 12. The pronunciations of the number is 1 to 12 and the spelling is 12. TWELV 12. 1 3 13. THIR TEEN 13. FOUR TEEN 14. FIF TEEN, because we are using the pronunciation 15, no, not 15. So you are making so many mistakes in 15. So 15 we shouldn't write. We should write 15 FIF TWN, 6 TWN, 7 TWN 17, 16, 8. Now 8 spelling, the double T should not be mistakes. Because 18 only we are continuously saying. 18, 19, 20, 19 NINE TWN, 20 TWEN TY 20. So this is the spelling we learn. Now today the topic is sign, mathematical sign. The topic is mathematic sign. Sign, symbol, whatever it may be, you can say that. Okay. Now this sign is called plus. Some children used to say that cross. You shouldn't say that. Cross is related to the God. Okay. By mistake also we shouldn't say that. This sign is called plus. Okay. By mistakenly you shouldn't say that this is a cross. Cross word should not be common in mathematical. Okay. It is only in the God. Plus. This is called minus. This is called multiplication. And this is called division. Got it? So the plus sign, with the help of plus only, we can use multiplication. If you are not able to understand plus, if you are not doing plus properly, plus means add. Add means adding. Adding means addition. Now clear? Plus means add. Add means adding. Adding means addition. The sum name is called addition. So the plus, if your plus means adding properly, your tables will not be mistakes. When you are adding properly, when your plus sign is using properly, your multiplication sign, multiplication of the tables will never mistakes. So example I show you how it is connected between the plus and addition, plus and multiplication. Okay, I'll show you. So there is 2 plus 2. Okay, how will you add? So in front of 2, I draw 2 line. In front of 2, otherwise make it as a lollipop only, no? Okay, lollipop ही बना दे. I made lollipop. 2 lollipops are there. Here again 2 lollipops are there. Okay, this is 2 lollipops are there. So we are asking that, show me how many lollipops are there. So here also 2, here also 2. The total is, how will you count? So we are unable to count 2 plus 2. We can use it with the finger also. We can join. See, first 2 is here before plus sign. Listen carefully, children. Before plus sign, whatever number it may be, before plus sign, any number, 5, 4, 3, below 5 only, because in one hand we have only 5 finger, another hand we are having another 5 finger. Okay, so the before the plus sign, how many numbers are there? According the number we can open the finger. In the before the plus there are 2 finger. So I open 2 finger. Second, after the plus, 2 finger. The 2 finger we are joining together. Left side before plus 2 finger, after plus 2 finger. So both the 2 finger we are closing and counting. How we are counting? We all know 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So this 4 comes here. So according that finger we counted 4. According to the lollipop we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will answer comes 4. Got it? By finger also we counted. By things also we have counted. The answer is 4. So the question is, How does it comes? With the plus sign, with the help of multiplication. We are saying the tables. You heard carefully, you listen carefully, and you see in the books also, table book. How will you read? How we are reading the tables? 2 ones are 2. We are reading like this. 2 ones are 2. How many 2's are there? 2 2's are there. 1 2, 2 2. But I am starting from 2 ones are 2. How will you write? 2 multiply 1 equal to 2. Got it? 2 ones are 2. Here 2 2's are 4. How will you write? 2 2's are 4. This way the mathematics of the plus sign is helping with multiplications. Do you got my point, children? Very easy way. Suppose suddenly if anybody asks what is the calculations of, very easy way they are asking. The mental max also used as, the UCMOS also you learn max, is it? But it is logically at home. We used to say some money calculations, some fruit calculations, some books calculations, some pencils calculations. We need it to the brothers and sisters in between. In that way, we can use it by the finger or else by mind also we can use it. Suppose your father brought 10 chocolate, your brothers and sisters are only including you 3 members. So father said distribute to 2 brothers and including you also. So you all are 3 brothers sisters, you all are 3 in a family. Your father brought 10. Then if you are distributed properly without any quarrel, because children should not be quarrel each other, so it should be distribute sharing equally. Okay, you are try to understand. So when you distributed without quarreling, that remainder will be 1. How? You 3 are brothers sisters. Got it? Your father brought only 10 chocolate. It is distributed to your 3 brothers equally without quarrel. So it should be keep 1 remaining 1 chocolate. How does it comes? Total is 10. Okay. 10 minus 1 is remainder means it comes 9. You both are 3 brothers sisters. So 3 3's are 9. So your 3 of them got 3 chocolates. That's why it comes 9. The remainder will be 1. Got it? In easy way. So this way you should understand easy method of the mathematics. So it is related with that. The minus sign, always minus also helping with the plus sign, because sometimes we are subtracting larger number to smaller number. Always the subtraction comes bigger number to smaller number. So example, bigger number is 97 minus means subtracted, minus 23. Got it? So 7 minus 3. So some children using the line like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. They use line 7. Subtraction is 3. 1 2 3. So the what is the remainder? 4. They can use it. Otherwise you can use it with the finger also. Take 7 finger, because below 10 we are having 10 finger. We can use it by the 7 finger with the help of below number 3. The close it 3 finger. What is the remainder here? 4. This way also you can use the subtractions. Here 9 finger. You can use it 9 finger. 9 minus 2. 2 months, 5 here, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Sometime you doesn't know your answer is right or not, because during examination test time we have to check our papers properly, read your paper properly, your answers are right or not, your question is according the paper or not, your written right answer or not. How will you check? So for check only we are giving one small easy tips for you. The easy tips is to check the proper answer. What is the answer you got it here? 74. दिख रहा है? 74. So subtraction number is 23. We are checking the answer. Your answer is right or not. You are given very proper answer, but answer should be right. You should be satisfied. Then teacher will give you the good number, right? So this way we are taking, because now the revisions and examinations time, you should be practiced from the very beginning. If you are having the maths problem, if you are very weak in maths, you can learn through this class very easy way the mathematics subtractions. See, 4 minus 3. We should not be subtract, we should be add it, plus karna. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So the upward number, the bigger number should be comes properly when you add 23 plus 74. The answer, if you plus it, you will come to know this number means your answer is right. Got it? This way you can check your answers, you can write it properly, learn it more, and in the personal tutor you can contact properly, and any doubt in any subject you can contact us. It will be very easy to you to understand and easy tips, and you should be take care of during this corona period. Wash your hand and take care of your brothers, sisters and parents, everybody. So this is very useful for you. This class is very easy tips for you to understand. Okay children, so thank you and have a nice day children. So we will meet you in the next class. So contact our personal tutor. This is the number 1 classes of Indore. Thank you children.